The Freedom Trainer kit is right here, and I'm just going to unbox it right now. I just got it, and this is going to be the ultimate kit for those of you who are trainers and if you want a nice home studio. Before I actually share with you, I've done an unboxing video of what all is going to be coming to you in a box. Before I share that, I just want to tell you that the gear that I currently have right now, it is easily more than 50,000 rupees worth of gear. 50,000. Okay, so this particular microphone is 20,000. My LED light kit at the back is 6,000 rupees. I have a much big LED light kit, and I have a sound card on my side over here, which is it's an Audition sound card, which is again in the range of 10 to 15,000 rupees. So just my gear, my microphone cables, and all of this, which is working for me right now, it is 50,000 rupees in that range. And if I include the camera which I'm using, it's 2 lakhs. Okay, so this is a little bit of a higher budget investment that I've done for my setup over here. But the Freedom Trainer kit is something I've actually worked with my vendors in my online store, and we have put together something which is very affordable. Okay, so the Freedom Trainer kit is something which does not come with a webcam, but everything else. Let's do an unboxing of it and see how it is. Let's open this and see what this is all about. Super cool ring light. Pretty awesome stand to keep the light on this, and it can actually go to whatever size that you want. In fact, this can be put on top of this stand over here, and you can start to change different colors on this. You have white, you have a warm color, and this will be really good to sit at the back. I have a big LED light, but you can use the small one too. Okay, let's open this, and this is a really cool microphone. Open this. Comes with a pop filter and a nice mic stand kit here. So it's a really cool mic stand which you can actually fit it on your desk. Sits really smoothly and can be adjusted. Super cool. So this comes with a USB cable that you can directly connect straight into your system. So what else is in the box? Let's see this. Micro UPS. This is a power backup for your Wi-Fi router. Pretty interesting. Just opened it. Yeah, there's an input and output over here, and it's just a power backup, and you can see it has a 1-year warranty on this. The other cool thing about the Freedom Trainer kit is I want you to customize your own mug that you can keep on your table with your logo. Coffee mug, let me open this and let's see how it is. There it is. Yeah, got my Internet Lifestyle Hub mug. So when you purchase this product, just upload your own logo and you'll get a mug like this with your own logo on it. So what does the Freedom Trainer kit contain? Number 1, a really cool USB microphone which you can plug in straight via USB without a sound card. An LED light kit along with a stand. Then number 3 is you have your power backup for your Wi-Fi router and a fully customizable mug. So that was the unboxing of the Freedom Trainer kit. So did you like that? What I would like you to do is go to this link. I've actually created a special link for you, sids.co /FT kit. FT kit is Freedom Trainer kit, and you can go and pick it up at a very affordable price on our store online, and it'll be shipped to you. Currently we are shipping only within India at this point. In case it's open for international shipping, we'll be notifying you, but this will be the best investment that you can make to start off and set up your home studio for recording courses, recording podcasts, recording videos, so that it looks really professional. So you need to have that LED light right in the front. You can use whatever webcam that you want, even Logitech webcam is fine. So webcam is not a part of the kit. You can use the microphone. Now the microphone that you're going to get with the kit, you can directly plug it into USB and it will start to work. You don't need an external sound card, so it's going to save you cost over there. You have that USB power router for your Wi-Fi router. That's also very cool. And the best part is I like the mug. I have a coffee mug over here, this has been designed with my logo on it. So when you are buying the Freedom Trainer kit, what you have to do is just go ahead and upload a high resolution version of your logo, and along with all of this you'll get a mug with your logo on it, because you can keep it like how I'm keeping it on my table over here, and it looks really cool. Whenever you're doing your webinars and other sessions, go ahead and show off your mug, show off your branding, show off your logo to the rest of the world. So go and pick it up. Go to sids.co/FTKit. Trust me, this is the most affordable set of gear, great quality for you to be able to start with your home studio and all your recordings and things like that. As you're making money, then later on you can upgrade to higher level equipment and higher, more expensive gear, which can go to no limits. There are no limits to how much you can spend on a microphone and cameras and things like that. Okay, for now, get started with this. Wish you all the very best. I look forward to sharing more stuff like this on our iLet shop. Go and pick it up.